Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, generate random whole numbers within a range. Instead of generating a random whole number between 0 and a given number like we did before, we can generate a random whole number that falls within a range of two specific numbers. To do this, we will define the minimum number min and a maximum number max. Here is the formula we will use. Take a moment to read it and try to understand what this code is doing. Here math.floor will make the number whole. Math.random will generate a number between 0 to 1 excluding the 1, and here we are multiplying that fractional value between 0 and 1 to max minus min plus 1. So whatever be the number, it will be actually greater than, means in between max and not in between, means it will be difference plus 1, plus min means it will be always greater than minimum because it's adding minimum here, and it will be within, it will be between max and minimum. So the task for this challenge: create a function called random range that takes a range my min and my max and returns a random whole number that's greater than or equal to my min and is less than or equal to my max. So in this case, create a function called random range, okay, that takes my min and my max and returns a random whole number that's greater than or equal to my min and is less than or equal to my max. So in this case, math dot floor math dot random, so here random function into max minus min plus 1 plus min, and it should be my max, my max and my min, and here also my min. So in this case, my max minus my min plus 1. So for let's suppose we take any number, console.log random range 0 5, okay, console 5 4 create a function that takes a range my min and my max and returns a random whole number that's greater than or equal to my min. So it's always greater than or equal to my min and is less than or equal to my max. So this function should work. Let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.